Howdy folks. Before us today is a 1981 DeLorean DMC-12, complete with a full Dr. Emmett Brown time machine kit. Y'all saw the movie, so we know how good she is at flying through time. And today we're going to put this little Belfast, Northern Ireland built two-seater sports car through a series of challenges to find out how well she flies through the air. Doesn't look like the DeLorean needs a ramp. With enough air passing underneath, she wants to lift off all by herself. And we have splashdown. Let's try something else. Now we're going to sail this baby down this stretch of road to see what she makes of the uneven terrain. There's the air lifting her at the front once more. Let's do another run, only this time we'll try to prevent premature takeoff. Boy, this thing needs more time to brake than a Carnival cruise ship. Now we'll take the vehicle around this track to see how she handles it. I gotta say, she handled it better than I expected. In this test, we're gonna send her off a ramp on a country road. Just because we can. When is a sports car not a sports car? When it decides it wants to be a compact, I guess. That was fun, so let's do another one. Okay, Marty, set the time coordinates for 1 minute in the past and we'll go again. It left the ramp with what looked like a clean jump. Only this DeLorean is determined to be a compact. We'll use this run to see if we can nail the money shot. No doubt about it. This is a fast and effective way to dismantle your DeLorean time machine if you ever need to. Is there enough road for the DMC-12 to hit 88 miles per hour? Let's go back a little bit and find out. Sure would have been nice to hit the target. And now for something completely different. Oh, hell's nah. Let's try that again. Well, that got flipped and turned like a Chef Ramsay omelet. We got one more of these to try and see if we can get something crazy. Oops. Well, alright. Keep her lit, Marty. She's flying through the air like an eagle. A plastic $10 crow scaring eagle, but an eagle nonetheless. Time to throw this son of a gun off the long jump. That was almost perfect. Well, I did say almost. Not quite done with the long jump just yet. I get the feeling that there is still another shot at something spectacular. Who the hell is firing a machine gun? Wait just a second. Is that the Libyans? Run for it, Marty! With the Libyans out of the picture, we'll go again. After all that, it might have been safer to face the Libyans. And Marty steps up to the plate, bases loaded. He takes a swing. He smashes it out of the park. And that right there, folks, is a home run. Now to see how far up the vertical road she can get. I think we can do much better than that. Let's go again. Well now, that was unexpected. But that wasn't. Holy mackerel. What in the... She's still driving. Think we can get her back up to the start again? The short answer? Yes. Yes, we can. Well folks, we've reached the end of this test and trial of our beloved DeLorean time machine. Didn't she do well? Actually, I'll leave that up to you to decide. And if, like Crozinator 1000, you'd like to see something in particular get thrown off ramps and tested to destruction, drop a comment below and I'll see what I can do for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's free to like and subscribe, so you can go on ahead and do that. And I will be forever grateful. Take care, y'all. See you in the next video.